So here, if I see my site, it's cool like this, where I have changed from my blog to nETSETOS blog and wrote some lines about it over sidebar. As well as here I have given the title of my website as nETSETOS tutorials. With that, I have written some of the posts, Python for beginners on day 1, and there whatever the topics will be, if I click here, will be given as it is. So here on day 1 there will be introduction, features, importance and modes of execution, whatever the topics which are related to day 1. With that, I have given the tag which is Python. If it is related to Django, you can give the tag as Django, or the topics which are related to your articles, which will help the website to know the similar articles, so that if I click on, let's say, Python for beginners day 3, here it is telling me the topics of the day, as well as I can share this post. With that, it is also giving the similar post. You can go through Python for beginners day 4, day 2, day 1, and they are based on the tags which I am providing here. So these are some minor changes which I did over here. I have simply written, instead of my blog as nETSETOS, and the content in h1 tag as nETSETOS tutorials. Cool enough. Now what we'll do, I'll go to Python for beginners day 1 and will add few comments to it. Here I will give my name, email ID and the comment which I want to add over here. Rakesh12@gmail.com, and he want to comment, ma'am, please add tuples topic to this article. Maybe he wants to understand tuple topic in this, so he is sending comment to me as add tuples topic in the article, and he will click on add comment. His comment has been added there on date 17th of August and the present time. Similarly, on day 2, Reena, and her mail ID is reena34@gmail.com, and she wants to comment, ma'am, article is too good. You have explained each and every topic from scratch. Then she will click on add comment and it will be added over here. Let's add one more comment to it. This time a person named Ran is commenting, explained very nicely. Then he will add the comment. So in short, I want to tell you that there are 2 comments over here on day 2. On day 1 there is 1 comment. Let's add one more comment to day 4. Lisa will add a comment over here. Excellent. She will add comment over here. So we got on day 1 2 comments, on day 4 1 comment, and day 2 2 comments. So here we knew that comments can be added to our post. So this comment usage we will know at the end of the video. So be with me till the end. Now we will know how to create custom template tags and filters. Till now we have used built-in template tags which Django provides. If tag, block tag, and in block, title, content, so many template tags which were built in, provided by the Django. Now in this video we will see how to create custom template tags and with that filters. This could be also a tag to perform a query set or any server-side processing that we want to reuse across templates. If we come to custom template tags, Django provides these helper functions to allow us to create our own template tags in an easy way. These are of two types, simple tag and inclusion tag. Simple tag processes the data and returns a string, whereas inclusion tag processes the data and returns the rendered template. So what we'll do, inside blog application directory, we will create a new directory and name it template tags. Let's go to PyCharm. Here inside blog directory, we will create a new directory over here with the name template tags. Then we will add an empty Python file. So I'll do the same. Here I will add a Python file and will name it as init.py. Then we will create another file in the same folder and name it blog_tags. I also have a file structure blog directory which will have a template tags directory, and inside that we will create two Python files. Here also we did the same. There is a template tags and we have init.py, and also I will make a new Python file with the name blogs_tags.py. Now we will start writing some codes inside blog_tags to retrieve the total post published on the blog. So here I'll first import template. So I'll simply write from Django import template. Then I need to import post. So here I'll write from ..models import post. Then here I'll give a register where template.library will be there. I will create a decorator with the name register.simple_tag. And here I'll define a function with total_posts which will return post.published.count. So here we have created a simple template tag which returns the number of posts published so far. Here each module that contains template tags need to define a variable called register to be a valid tag library. The variable is an instance of template.library and it is used to register your own template tags and filters. In this code, we have defined total_post with a Python function. And here we have used a decorator to register the function as a simple tag. Django will use the function name as a tag name. If you want to register it using different name, you can do it so by specifying a name attribute such as name is equal to, let's say I want to give a name my_tag. But make sure after adding a new template tag module, you will need to restart the Django development server in order to use the new tags and filters and templates. Now, before using custom template tags, we need to make them available for the templates. So for that, I need to use load tag. So I'll go to base.html and before load static, I'll copy from here and here. Instead of static, I will write blog_tags so as to load our template tag module. Then we will use the tag which we have created to display our total post. So here down below I have added few lines of nETSETOS. Here I'll make a new p tag and will write over here I have returned posts so far. Inside this I will make a template and will add total underscore posts and will close it. Now I need to restart my server. I'll go to cmd, Control C. I need to write python manage.py run server. Here it is showing type error module object is not callable, which is at line 4 of my blogs underscore template. Let's check it out. Here library should be with capital L, as like this. Here I have used blog underscore tags. Instead I have named over here blogs. So what I'll do, I'll rename it as blog underscore and will refactor it. Now we will see here by Control C, python manage.run server. Server is running well, and here we will check whether it is working well or not. Here when you see the site below, I have returned 8 posts so far. You will get the number of posts which you have written over here. That is the power of custom template tag. Here you can process any data and add it to any template regardless of the view executed. You can perform query set, process any data to display result in your templates. Now we will create another tag to display the latest post in the sidebar of our blog. This time we will be using inclusion tag. So for that I will again go to blog underscore tags, and here first of all I'll make a decorator register dot inclusion tag, and here I'll be making latest underscore post HTML, which will be inside blog. So first of all I need to give here address blog, inside post I will make latest underscore post. Make sure if you are using S over here, the same file should be made over here. The mistake which I am making, you should not make the same. Then I'll define a function with show underscore latest underscore post. Here I'll give count is equal to 5. Latest post will have post dot published dot order by. Here I want in descending order, so I'll make use of negative sign, and whichever articles are being published with the variable publish and here negative sign. And here I'll make use of aggregation, which will have count, and here we will return latest post. So here in this code we register the template tag using register.inclusion tag and specified the template that will be rendered with the returned value. So here our template tag will accept an optional count parameter which is default defined as 5. This parameter will specify the number of posts that we want to display. But make one thing in mind, that the function returns the dictionary of variables instead of simple value. Inclusion tags have to return a dictionary of values which is used as a context to render the specified template. So here we will create a new template file inside blog template blog post. Inside post, here I'll make a HTML file with the name latest underscore post. Let's add some of the lines over here. First, UL tag. Inside this, I'll give a for loop for post in latest underscore post, and inside this I'll define li tag, which will have link of post dot get absolute URL. Then here I'll apply Angular tag, and then here I'll define post dot title. Let's close this, and with this here I've used for loop, so I need to close this for loop as well. As simple as that. So here we have displayed unordered list of posts using the latest post variable returned by our template tag. Now I will go to base.html and will add new template tag here to display the last 3 posts. So below this p tag, here I'll write with h3 tag latest post, and here I'll give show underscore latest underscore posts, which will be 3. We will close this. Here we have used this tag, which is called passing the number of posts to display, and the template is rendered in place with the given context. Now we will go to browser and will refresh the page. Down below you can see my latest post, as here I have given 3 posts which will be in latest, will be shown over here. So I have added day 2, day 3 and day 4. All are visible on my blog at the sidebar. So after that we will create a simple template tag which will return a value. So for that we will store the result in a variable that can be reused rather than directly outputting it. So we will create a tag to display the most commented post. Hope you got now why I commented on various posts, so as to have most commented post down below to the latest post. So for that I will go to PyCharm, and on blog underscore tags here I'll import count. So from django.db.models import count. Below this function I'll make a separate function. Let's name it as get underscore most underscore commented post, and here count will be 5, which will return post dot published dot annotate. Here I'll give total comments, which will be equal to count comments, and here it will be order by this total comments in descending order. So I'll put negative sign over here, and here it will be slicing count. So basically we build a query set using the annotate function to aggregate the total number of comments for each post. Count aggregation, which is storing the number of comments in the computed field total underscore comments. Then we ordered this query set in descending order by this negative sign. Here we have also provided optional count variable. With this count aggregation, there are 4 more aggregation functions: average, max, min, sum. Average is used for mean, max is used for maximum value, min is used for minimum value, sum is used for total, the sum of objects. and count we have used over here. So after this function, we will go to base.html, and here below this latest post, so I'll make use of h3 tag, and here I'll write most commented post, and here I'll write get underscore most underscore commented underscore post, most underscore commented underscore post, and I'll do the same, apply a for loop for post in most commented post, and then li tag in which it will have a link post.get underscore absolute underscore URL, and here we will have post.title. Let's end this for. So here we have stored the result in a custom variable using an argument followed by the variable name, and here we have used this to store the result of template tag in a new variable named most commented post. Then we have displayed the returned post using the unordered list. We will go to our browser, we'll refresh the page, and here we got an error. Let's see what is the error over here. Here it is telling, did you forget to register or load this tag? Yes. Here we need to give a decorator. I forgot to put this decorator over here. First, I need to give a decorator for any function which we need over here, and then only we can make use of this function. Now I will go to browser, and here I will refresh it again, and this time I got most commented post over here. As we have commented on day 2, there were 2 comments over there, remember? So here we are getting these 2 comments. Then in Corona the virus there was 1 comment. Similarly, day 1, day 4 we have commented in the start of the video. So this is how we can have latest post, most commented post displayed on our blog. So hope you are enjoying it. Now Django has a variety of built-in template filters that allows us to alter variables in templates. There are Python functions that takes 1 or 2 parameters. So what we'll do, we will create a custom filter to enable us to use Markdown syntax in our blog post. For that, I need to install Markdown module. So I'll go to CMD and will come out of the server, and here I'll make use of pip install Markdown 3.2.1. It will take some time, and here it is successfully installed. Now I will go to PyCharm, and here first of all I need to import Markdown. So I will import from django.utils.savestring import mark_save, and here I'll import Markdown. Now down below I will make a function Markdown, but before that I need to give a decorator to load Markdown. So here I'll register .filter name equal to Markdown, and here we will define the function Markdown_format, which will have text, and inside this it will return mark_save, which will have markdown.markdown text. So here we have registered the template filter in the same way as template tags. To prevent a name clash between your function name and Markdown module, we have named Markdown_format and named the filter Markdown for use in templates. Now we will load our template tag module in the post list. So I'll go to list.html. Here I'll write load blog_tags. The same I will do for detail.html also. Below this extend, I'll load blog tags. Then on 14th line, there is a tag post.body with line breaks. We will replace this with post.body markdown. And then I'll go to list.html. Here also we have line break statement. Here I have used truncate words and line breaks. So I'll replace this line breaks with markdown. We will give space over here. So here truncate words is a filter that truncates a string after a certain number of words, avoiding unclosed HTML tags. So let's see. In our browser, I haven't restarted my server. I'll write python manage.py run server. Our server has been started. Refresh my page and we'll go to admin. In admin, I will go to post. I will add. So here I'll give the article. Let's write article with markdown so that we'll remember. Same, and in the body part we will come up with article with markdown, and here I'll give dotted lines, then giving the enter. Here I'll give asterisk, and here I'll write this is emphasized, giving the asterisk back, and this time I'll give 2 asterisks. Let's see, even more emphasized. And here we will see the difference between 1 asterisk and 2 asterisks. Let's give more. Here is a list where we will give 1 asterisk as 1, then again 1 asterisk as 2, then again 1 asterisk as 3. And here I'll give a link and a link to the nETSETOS website. And here I'll give the link of my website. It's not ready yet, but let's give it. Where I have diverted the other address. Here we are ready. Now I'll save this. We'll go to blog, and here we got article with markdown which has tag as Django, then article with markdown. Here we have a line over here. This is italic shape. Here this is bold. That means if you are using 1 asterisk, this will make italic. 2 asterisk will make it bold. And here we got bullets. And for creating a hyperlink, we will get and a link to nETSETOS website, and whichever site address we will give there in parentheses, it will be taking this as here. Now we have seen how to create latest post, number of posts, and you can also see there is 1 post added so far because we have added article with markdown. So totally we have written 9 posts so far. Then we have seen how to create latest post, how to add most commented post, as well as how we can have a link added up with markdown implemented on our blog. Let's discuss adding a sitemap and post feed in the next video. And hope you'll be implementing this, creating custom template tags and filters by yourself. So just wet your hands and implement these codes by yourself. And trust me, this is a cool implementation which will be added to your personal blog. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.